Did you know the water that normally runs down the drain from when you rinse your rice is one of the most beneficial natural fertilizers that you can use for your garden? Today, I'm going to show you why using rice water will make your garden greener, healthier, and deliver a more bountiful harvest. Fermented rice water is simply the starchy water that's left over after rinsing or soaking rice, allowed to sit for a day or two until it naturally ferments. During fermentation, beneficial bacteria and nutrients increase, creating a powerful organic plant tonic. It's packed with nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, amino acids, and beneficial microbes that can improve soil health and plant growth. One of the biggest benefits of fermented rice water is faster, healthier plant growth. The nutrients help strengthen roots and encourage leafy green growth. Plants like tomatoes, peppers, herbs, lettuce, and even flowers respond really well to it. The beneficial microbes created during fermentation feed your soil's biology. Healthy soil means healthier plants. Think of it like probiotics for your garden. If you're trying to garden more naturally, fermented rice water is an easier and a more affordable solution. No harsh chemicals, no expensive fertilizers. And the best part, you're recycling something that most people throw away. So here are some important tips. Don't use too much. You want a mixture that I use is 3 parts water and 1 part fermented rice water. Make sure you stir it up and don't water too frequently. You want to do it at least every 2 weeks. And before you start doing it on a regular basis, you want to test it on a plot or area in your garden to make sure that it doesn't have or cause any adverse effects to your plants. Simple, natural, affordable, and effective. Fermented rice water is one of the easiest ways to give your garden a boost. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your favorite natural garden tips in the comments below. And I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.